This is an instructional video of how to build our 2-tier heavy-duty closed rail. Firstly, insert the casters into the pyramid wheel sections using force to ensure they go in the whole way and remain locked in place. Next, get the two bottom rail sections and insert them into the bottom of the pyramid sections, pushing up until they click into place. Once you have done this to both sides, connect the two bottom bars together, and there you have the bottom of the rail built. After this, place the side supports into the top of the pyramid, pushing the pin in and ensuring it goes into the hole. Take the center rails, slide one through one of the side supports and tighten it at a height you're happy with. Do the same with the other with the aim to match the height to the other side. Just like you did with the bottom rail, connect the two center bars together, ensuring they are firmly attached. Connect the uprights to the side supports to extend the height, which will give you a H shape. Next, connect the top side rails to the top center rail and use the pin to slot it into place. Then connect the top rail to the side bars, ensuring it's a rigid structure. And there you have it. Place your clothes on both rails and watch them shimmer with style. You can be confident with how much you can load on the rail, as the weight capacity is stated as 160 kilograms.